Hey everyone, just want to create a super quick video going over a new enhancement we just made to Dakota Joe, our AI report builder. So previously, if you wanted to view all of your past conversations and recent reports that you've had with Dakota Joe, you weren't necessarily able to view them. So that's exactly what we fixed in Marketplace today. So when you log into Marketplace and you make your way to the bottom right-hand side where Dakota Joe lives, if you click this thought bubble icon, a new pop-up will appear showing all of your recent conversations as well as all of your recent reports. So this goes back all the way to the very beginning. So if I wanted to click on a conversation I had with Joe on May 5th, I'm able to just click right into it and view the whole conversation I had with Dakota Joe that day. If I wanted to see all of the recent reports, I'm able to click any of these hyperlinks here, or if I wanted to see it from a more broad view, I could just click see all and I could have all my reports visible there. So as you can see, I have all of my past Dakota Joe reports all in one view here. One thing that I definitely wanted to mention that I'm sure all of you are thinking is the ability to continue conversation. So obviously if I jump into a past conversation and I want the ability to continue to go off of this conversation that I've had in the past, you aren't able to do that for this phase. But just to give you all a heads up, this is certainly part of the roadmap and we will be developing that soon to come. So can't wait to hear your guys' feedback and let me know if you have any questions. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.